Hello my friends, welcome to my video. My name is Mohit and you are watching my channel MK Tech. So friends, today I'm gonna talk about iOS application development because nowadays we have uh, multiple easy platform where we can go and prepare an iOS application. So today I'm gonna tell you that application or platform where you can go and start preparing your initial level application iOS application development. So yes, of course, for iOS application development we required a coding also, but some people says that there is no requirement for coding nowadays, but I would say yes, of course coding is required for every single iOS application. Yet it's basically it depends upon your application, what kind of application you are developing. So it depends on your application, what coding criteria is required. But of course, yes, the coding is necessary for an application. If you are making a small application, yes, of course, you need small coding, and you are making some large and effective applications. So, of course, you require lots of coding. So, coding is necessary for any application which you are developing in iOS. So, today I'm going to tell you what application you are required for your iOS application development. So first of all, you required a Mac machine, which is very necessary because obviously you are making any application for iPhone or iPad. So you required Mac OS. So definitely yes, you need to have a Mac OS machine. And the second one, that application on which you will prepare iOS application, or you will be developing your iOS application on that application. So that application name is Xcode, with the language is Swift. So basically Xcode is the combination of Swift and your control panel with the Xcode. So it's pretty simple to install your Xcode on your machine. Just open your App Store and search for Xcode. It will give you the latest Xcode application. Just go ahead and click on this get button and install it. Suppose it will ask for the password. I just put the password. So now we can see here our Xcode has been installed now. So we are going to just open it now. Just click on this. Because we are opening is the first time, so it will take a little bit time. Okay, it's for asking for license agreement. Just click on agree button. Give your password. It's installing now all the elements which is installing. Okay, now the installation has been completed and our Xcode has been installed completely. And now just click on this. There are three options: get started with playground and create new X project. So just click on this, create new Xcode project. Just click on this. It's opening. Okay, and choose a template, what kind of application you want to prepare. Just select this one, single view, and just click on next. Once you click next, give the product name, what kind of product you are going to prepare. I just put a sample name, sample project. Organization name, it's not necessary, yes, you can give anything. Organization identifier, and language you will have to select Swift, because it supports two kind of language, Objective C and Swift. Just click on Swift and click on next. It's asked for project, your folder, sample, create. Just go ahead and create. So it will create a file here. So now you can see your platform has been opened, and now you can start preparing your application. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and click on hit button, like button. Thank you.